Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coconut. I'm back here with another video, and as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to show you guys different hairstyles you guys can do with the headband wigs. Headband wigs right now are literally my favorite thing. They're really quick, they're really easy. You don't have to do that much except slick your hair back and put the wig on. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys some different hairstyles and some ways you guys can style your guys' headband wigs. And without further ado, let's just get into this video. This video is sponsored by Elfinhair. Thank you, Elfinhair, for sending me this headband wig to promote for you guys and for me to show my subscribers and for me to have in general. And I'm really excited to get into this. As you guys can see, the box is busted up on the sides. They sent me a lot of stuff, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything they sent me. They sent me 6 headbands. Like, look how much. 6. I'm like set. Like, they sent me this plaid headband, this like peach colored headband, and then this yellow headband. These feel like couches, no cap. They feel like couch, like, you know those couches, like if you put your hand like this, it changes a different color. This is how these three, like these two feel. This one feels like fabric, like, you know. These 3 are soft headbands. I'm probably not gonna be wearing these in the video because they have like these little bendy thingies, and those aren't really my style. These have these bendy thingies. These are velvet, and yeah, I probably wouldn't wear these in the future just because of these bendy thingies. Like, that's not really my style. Thank you for sending me all these headbands for me to try out. And then they sent me this paddle brush. I've been needing a paddle brush too, so ooh, this paddle brush is nice quality. So they sent me this big paddle brush. One of the bristles are missing, but it's strong, so that's all that matters. And they also sent me a, what do you call this? A rat tail comb. Let me just take it out. This says Elfinhair on it. You know, it's a regular rat tail comb. This actually feels more sturdy. Yeah, this actually feels more sturdy than the ones that come at like the beauty supply stores and stuff. But what you guys came here for is, came with some lashes too. Came with some lashes. These aren't really my style, but you know, grateful for the lashes either way. Might try them on just to see how they look and stuff. And then what you guys actually came here for is the headband wig. All the details about this hair is down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check it out. Okay, so we got a couple strands. This is 20 inches. All the details about this hair is down in the description box below. So this is how the inside of the hair, the wig looks like. It has a comb right here, a comb right here, and a comb right here. So it has 3 combs at the top, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 comb at the bottom. And then it has a headband. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the hair. I'm just gonna get into the styling portion of this part. Once again, thank you, Elfinhair, for sending me this wig for me to try out and for me to share. If you guys would like to go purchase this unit, make sure you guys go down in the description box below and go check them out. Without further ado, I'm just gonna show you guys all these hairstyles I'm gonna do. Oh, my hair is also already slicked down. I already slicked it down and put it in a bald cap and stuff, so it's easier. I'm just gonna put this on and go and do what I do and do what I do. Okay, so after that last clip, my phone died, but this is the last hairstyle, and I just wanted to pop in and show you guys. I just swooped it. I clipped it right here so it could stay. And this is how the top looks, and then it's just down and wet. This is the last hairstyle that I could think of to do with the headband wig. If you guys have any other hairstyles down below, you could just comment that down below and help anybody else out that needs help and advice. Make sure to go check Elfinhair out. Thank you once again, Elfinhair, for sending me this unit. I really love it. Thank you so much. Go check them out down in the description box below. And I have a coupon code for them too. So yeah, go check them out. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's just get out of this. Shabbat shalom.